Bayti Real Estate is delighted to present this ready-to-move-in warehouse located in Dubai Investment Park 2. At 4,755 square foot, this warehouse is ideal for storage only. With high ceilings of 8 meters to accommodate racking systems, this is perfect if you require any extra storage space for your business. The warehouse has recently been decorated, making it ready for use immediately. The attached washroom and toilet provides basic amenities required for any employees. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.